4.1 fourth bit third question. 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 1 into 3 by 4. 2 power minus 1, it is in the form of a power minus n. So a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. So 1 by 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means 2 plus 1 by 3 power 1. 3 power 1 means 3 plus 4 power minus 1. 1 by 4 power 1 into 3 by 4. Your LCM is 12. See here 2 comma 3 comma 4. 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 times. So 1 into 6 plus 3 4s are 12. So 1 into 4 plus 4 3s are 12. 3 times. So 1 into 3 into 3 by 4. 1 6 are 6 plus 1 into 4 4 plus 1 into 3 3 by 12 into 3 by 4. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 13 into 1 13 by 4 4s are 16. 4 into 4 16. This is the answer. Next fourth one. 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. 3 power minus 2. 3 power minus 2. It is in the form of a power minus n. A power minus n is equals to 1 by a power n. So 1 by 3 power 2. This 3 separate. Right, this is separate. 1 by 3 into 3 power 0. 3 power 0 means 1 because a power 0 equals to 1. 1 minus 3 power minus 1. It will be 1 by 3 power 1. 3 power 1 means 3. 1 by 1 into 1 1. 3 square into 3. Here power is nothing. So nothing means 1 is there. Into here LCM is 3. Denominator is 1. So 1 comma 3 LCM is 3. 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. So 1 into 3 minus 3 1s are 3. 1 into 1. 1 by here 3 bases are equal. It is in the form of a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So 3 power 2 plus 1 into 1 into 3. 3 minus 1 into 1 1 by 3. 1 by 3 power 2 plus 1 means 3 power 3 into 3 minus 1 2 by 3. 1 by 3 power 3. Here power is nothing means 1. 1 by 3 power 3 into 2 by 3 power 1. 1 into 2 2. A power m into b power a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. So 3 power 3 plus 1. 2 by 3 power 3 plus 1 means 3 power 4 is equals to 2 by 3 power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 80 81. 2 by 81. Exercise 4.1 fourth bit fifth question. 1 plus 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power 0. Here 4 power 0. 4 power 0 means 1 because a power 0 equals to 1. 1 plus 2 power minus 1. It is in the form of a power minus n. So 1 by a power n. 1 by 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means 2 plus 3 power minus 1. 3 power minus 1 means 1 by 3 power 1. 1 by 3 power 1. 3 power 1 means 3 plus 4 power 0 means 1. 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Here denominator is 1. LCM is 6. 1 into 2 into 3 6. 1 into 6 6. So 2 into 6 plus 2 3s are 2 3 times 6. So 1 into 3 plus 3 2s are 3 2 times 6. So 1 into 2. 2 into 6 12 plus 1 into 3 3 plus 1 into 2 2 by 6. 12 plus 3 15. 15 plus 2 17 by 6. This is the answer. Sixth question. 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 whole power 2. 3 by 2 power minus 2. It is in the form of a power minus 1. So it will be 1 by 3 by 2 power 2 whole power 2. 1 by 3 by 2 reciprocal అయితే 2 by 3 square whole square. A power m whole power n. So a power m into n. 2 by 3 power 2 into 2 4. 2 by 3 whole power 4. A power a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m is equals to a power m by b power m. So 2 power 4 by 3 power 4. 2 power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16 by 3 power 4. 3 4 times multiply. 81. 16 by 81.